Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting my YouTube efforts. As you can see, the fairing is done. So I wanted to make a quick video showing you some of the final touches on this Yamaha R6. It's been a couple of months of hard work, nights and weekends, getting the bike to this stage. So the fairings went on extremely well. Everything lined up, everything went in exactly where it was supposed to go. The holes all lined up, the screws went in, everything tightened down just as it should. This is the tail tidy and the undercarriage, so to speak. I deleted the rear pegs. New tires, new brake pads, original rotors, new pads, new Galfa lines, new fluid, everything cleaned. What else can I show you on this side? The exhaust has been repaired. This is a Two Brothers complete stainless steel race system with the cat delete. We had some scuffing on the side here that was all polished out with a Dremel polishing tool, and then I added an additional crash protector which wraps around the edge here, and that cleans that end up very nicely. And if the bike does go down on its side, the exhaust is properly protected with this protector. So I think that looks pretty decent for what it is. We've added brand new crash guards on the side here. We have the full snakeskin tech spec knee grippers, as well as the groin gripper tank guard. I still feel like there should be something right here. I'll have to figure out what can go in that spot, but I like the fact that it comes up nicely here. Single race seat. You can get your butt right back here and your crack into the side right here, the crack of your butt when you're getting your knee down on either side. Has a power commander in the rear. New tank slider on this side. New pegs. New rear lifts. New chain. New sprockets front and rear. What else? Complete paint job throughout. Redid the paint on the top here. Top of the front forks. Oh, and new handguards, new grips. So these are brand new as well. So very tasteful. I wanted to keep it extremely tasteful. I'm kind of a minimalist. I like this very clean look on the bike. But I might change my mind and put Yamaha stickers all over it. We shall see. Anyway, like I said, the final bits of the side fairings went on really easily. It's, you know, just connecting at the bottom, bolts there, the underside here. This particular bolt was a little tricky to line up. This is just needed to be lined up. I had to add a couple of washers either side for it to grip properly, but that was not a problem. Braided lines, brand new tires. There's literally no miles on these tires. I have not ridden this bike yet, and I am so excited to put my gear on, swing a leg over this bad boy, and take it for a ride. It is time. I am deserving. I have put in the work. Now I need to ride it. So the next video I shoot is going to be the first ride. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed following along with this restoration project. I certainly had a blast doing it, and hopefully this thing is going to be fast and fun to ride. Alright, so we can't end this video without starting it up, so fingers crossed. Oh yeah, baby. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be fun.